What's up guys, today I'm playing some more Blob. I'm playing for a while. I made it so you know where I'm at. Oh, where I drag maybe. That little circle there shows. It kind of helps me. Yes! You team already. I ate some.
3, 2.
I ate the people.
How about teacher? No.
I ate people.
I want to eat a
Yeah,
teacher.
medium man. I ate him on my face cam. My face cam is now a blobber. Nom. I don't know, I keep following him. I'm a follower. No, no, I'm not over. Come on, creepers, go away. Don't eat me. Yeah, don't eat me. If someone's called don't eat me, that means they're saying don't eat me. Yeah, don't eat me. Alfred, do you want to be in face cam?
Yeah.
Alfred, you're in face cam. Is that good?
I opened my mouth.
I know you did. Oh no, we're the same size. All still the same size. Creeper and me are the same size.
Self-destruct sequence activated.
I'm dead. Oh no, he hit me. No. Let's move that back up there. No, back up. I think I was moving it.
Where are you at?
I'm red. I don't know why I'm red on my outside. Oh,
Bad.
I wish I was a bit bigger. Alfie, don't eat me. Don't eat me. I won't eat you. I'm not eating you. Why are you running away? He's going to hit up on us while we're together. So I'm going down here. No, you don't follow me. Oh, if I ate that, it would be game and it would be over. I'd be dead. Who stood up at me? Explode team. My level is 58.
I am in that game now.
Blob team. Who's expopulation? Expopulation. It says expopulation in chat. I don't do chat. I don't do it. Toad says mom. Explosion team. Who's explosion? I'm dead. Guys, seriously, that was just a bad spawn. That wasn't me. That wasn't my fault. Just a different game mode. Which one? Crazy. I haven't done this game mode in a very long. What is crazy? Oh, MG Destroyer. What is crazy? Crazy's like no different, is it? Apart from that, you get blobs way faster. Maybe that's what crazy is about. Like you get blobs faster. Right, because these give more. They give 2 instead of 1. So they give more like crazy blocks. Yeah, let's do 125 to 127, 109, 132. And then my freeze too easy. My freeze are too easy, so can you start leveling up me to max level? Because I need to go to the max level now, so can you please help me? Well, I know why it's crazy, because there's loads of blocks everywhere. Wow.
I don't think I'll freeze.
Dude, go down. Go down. Batty.
See, I'll freeze.
You can't eat him still.
Yeah.
Nearly. Only if I was big, I would have ate him then. I would have ate him now if I was big. With both of them. Same size. Batty, you're coming down. Oh no, 1-1. thought you were Jack's friend. Jumbo! Oh, you were my friend, Jumbo. Oh no,
Alfie is.
Alfie's my friend. And Aiden. Where's Aiden? Aiden's there. Where's Alfie? Alfie's there. Alfie's
Little Blob. Alfie.
It's bad, Alfie, isn't it?
Yeah.
So don't need the little blobs. We need the little blobs to come together, little blobs. Come together. No, he's eating the little blobs. No! And then why? I accidentally ate it.
That's right.
Anyway, what is crazy? It's the same as all the others. It's very different. Should we go to teams? I'll show you hide and seek like there is on the real one. Well, on the one on the computer. Teams. I'm on Team Red, I guess. Because I'm on.
Yeah, on
Yes, it's a
Team
goal.
Red.
What do you think it is? Oh, no, Team Green, I guess. That's just my guess. Yes, I'm on Team Red. Team Red. Team Green. Team. No! One of my Team Red person died. Well, I guess that's how we do it. Red. Oh, it's impossible to go into each other because we're... Nope. Circle. I did a circle. The apple! Oh no, it's on my team. I can't see. But it doesn't matter. So it will be a waste of time. Hey! It blocks us. He's trying to run into you. Maybe you have to try and run in. You will. Oh. Oh, no. It just pushes him. Wait. Don't make our own teammate into... Please say...
What's that?
Please say join together. He's on team... What team is he? Team Green, Team Green. He changed. He's changed. Oh, Phil on same team. Phil. Green. Red, there. Red. You could just stay with him. It's good to go up and stay with him.
Team.
Yes!
Good. Very.
Thanks, Tina. No! No! I think Cocky is... That's green. That ginormous green. No, Cocky is bad.
Talk to.
Fly.
Bad.
We can fly. Restart. Fly. We can fly. Peace out, guys. What's that? What's that screen? Oh, I made a new folder of IO games. These are all the IO games I own. Paper.io, Blob.io. So if you want to see some Deep.io, Sliver.io, maybe Paper.io, maybe any IO game I've got.
Deep.io.